I'm Sven Schrecker. I'm the Vice President and Chief Architect for Cybersecurity at LHP Engineering Solutions, and I'm also the co-chair of the Industrial Internet Consortium's Security Working Group and the chair of the Automotive Security Task Group. And I'm here to tell you a little bit about the IIC today. IIC is the Industrial Internet Consortium. It is a collection of 250 some odd member companies ranging from the mega corporations all the way down to startups, including government, including educational institutions, so all collaboratively working on industrial internet. My focus is on security, and we work a lot with external groups to review standards and provide feedback, to work on thought leadership with other groups, for example, Industry 4.0, Platform Industry 4.0. The Security Working Group in IIC is working with the security team at Platform Industry 4.0 to work on thought leadership around trustworthy systems, around identity, a whole bunch of topics that are relevant and currently at the front end, the bleeding edge of industrial internet thought leadership. So we also do a lot around publications on security. We have best practices documents that we publish, we have a security framework that we publish, we have a privacy paper, we're looking at automotive security, we're looking at a whole bunch of different topics and providing publications on that. But then we take those publications and we actually make them real, we make them actionable. So we have a task group on security applicability. And this group is specifically tasked to take our publications and make them real. One way to do that is another group that we have, which is the test bed security team. So the IIC test beds allow you to take concepts with members of the security or of the IIC family and demonstrate capabilities within industrial internet. So we have smart factories, secure cars, modern agriculture, whatever it may be. The test bed program actually allows you to demonstrate the technology in a real world setting. I'm here at IoT Solutions World Congress, and we actually have an automotive demo where we have a go-kart platform that has security implemented in some of the systems, and then we walk people through how to compromise the system and how the protected systems can resist attack, but the unprotected systems can be compromised immediately. So those are the kind of things that we do. Another group that we have works on trustworthiness. So from the IIC, we don't think that security is the be-all, end-all. We actually feel it's a mixture of the safety, the reliability, the resilience, the privacy, and the security, and that is actually the problem that needs to be solved, not just a security problem. For example, a very popular topic for Industry 4.0 and IIC collaboration is a smart factory. So we have a number of smart factory test beds already, and within those, we can address security issues. So perimeter security, great. Not especially effective. It's +1 point if you have it, -20 if you don't. So you need to do it, but there's not that much value in it because you need to have a layered security solution. So then we come into the communication security capabilities, the firewalls, the rules for filtering and authorization and authentication, etc. Within each device, we need to have some kind of a identity capability, which then enables the communication to do mutual authentication, authorization, traffic flow, encryption, etc. So it's really a layered approach, but it doesn't end with just the things in the factory and the communications within the factory. You need to have the ability to do security monitoring and security management. The monitoring tells you what's really happening in the smart factory environment, and then the management allows you to push out policy to react to it. Part of the management is also the updates, whether they're over the air or wired, it doesn't really matter, but the update process to keep the management under control. So there is a plethora of topics within the IIC related to security that we're working on, and we invite everybody to come out and join us and participate with us. So, thank you very much.